Hello teacher, my name is Monica Andrea. I will talk about on the negative and positive effects of technology on the environment. I consider that if technology, development and consumerism continues, global warming is going to increase, and on the other hand, the consumerism has led used to waste our natural resource, and if this problem goes, and only so many years we are not going and to have enough resources which would lead used to that or live in terrible conditions. And in my opinion, the positive aspect of the evolution of the technology could be renewable energies such as wind, hydro, and solar. Technology known as the internet save our information in Drive and in Google Drive. Aspect in negative atmospheric pollution due to gases emitted from cars and industries, and natural resources pollution. I think we should implement more renewables energies so that we take care of natural resource. How do I see the planet in the future? Global, from my point of view, global warming and technological advances are taking yet the steps over time, and if humans do not do our part to try to continue to counter would be disasters, and we are already experiencing the effects of global warming and consumerism that technology has brought used today. I propose that the government of each country should implement more preventive and positive measures in favor of the environment, implementing environmental policies like the renewable energies. Also, they could create environmental campaigns so that people help to take care of their resources, making appropriate use of time, spending only what we need, learning about the trees to reduce, reuse and recycle properly. Personally, I would like to start a campaign to clean public space and plant more trees. Okay, thank you.